Feeling anxious about networking during your job search? Well, you're not alone. If job hunting were easy, we'd all be LinkedIn pros, effortlessly landing jobs while sipping iced lattes in a sunny cafe. But the truth? Networking often feels less like a cafe and more like trying to parallel park in front of a crowd. Trust me, I've tried that. Every move is on display and the pressure is real. For students, new grads, or introverts, the thought of reaching out to strangers on LinkedIn can be nerve-wracking. It's like asking someone out on a date, except instead of rejection, you're worried they'll never respond at all. And it's natural to feel overwhelmed, but the good news is there's a hack to overcome this. A simple method called the exposure hierarchy. Think of it as building your networking confidence step by step, like leveling up in a video game, minus the boss battles. First, start by listing everything that makes you nervous about networking. From the low-stakes stuff like browsing LinkedIn to big, nerve-inducing moments like attending a career fair. Think of this as creating a hit list of challenges to conquer, but less Kill Bill and more like Robert California's mysterious list in The Office. Except in this case, you're not trying to figure out if you're on the winners or losers side, you're taking control and making your own list.
Well, I doodle too, but I'm not an artist, so I draw words and lists.
That is fascinating. And by the way, I am so glad I asked. People were just sort of, did you just move my name?
Might as well have been sketching a cube.
Next, rate these tasks on a scale of 0 to 100. 0 is no big deal, and 100 is, I'd rather give a public speech in my pajamas. Or in my case, give a presentation without a PowerPoint. This creates your personal fear thermometer. Now, arrange your list from least to most anxiety-inducing. And here's an example. Browsing LinkedIn profiles, 20. Sending a connection request, 40. Messaging someone new, 60. Attending a networking event, 80. It's like building a ladder of awkwardness, but with each step, you're closer to becoming a networking pro. Start with the easiest task, like scrolling LinkedIn, and practice until it feels routine. Then move to the next step, like sending a connection request. Each win builds confidence. It's like training for a marathon, except instead of running, you're learning to type, "Hi, I'd love to connect." Track your progress and celebrate even the small victories. Did someone respond to your message? That's like finding a hidden treasure in a video game. Every win, no matter how small, gets you closer to feeling confident in your job search. And trust me, nobody starts out as an expert. You level up one step at a time. As you take these steps to overcome job search anxiety, remember, setbacks are part of the process. You'll have awkward moments, unanswered messages, or even rejections. That's normal. Don't be discouraged like Andy. It's how you learn and grow.
Andy, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. It's just that life is pointless and nothing matters, and I'm always tired. Also, I can't sleep. I'm overeating. None of my old hobbies interest me.
Ever since Andy failed the police academy exam, his self-esteem has hit rock bottom.
When things go wrong, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I improve next time? Every stumble brings you closer to success. Know this, you're building resilience, and that's just as valuable as the connections you're making. So keep going, you've got this. So here's your hack to overcome job search anxiety. List your fears, rate your anxiety, create an exposure hierarchy, start small and build confidence, and celebrate every step forward. Networking is like working out. It's awkward and uncomfortable at first, but the more you do it, the stronger you get. The important thing is progress, not perfection. Now it's your turn. What's one networking task that you'll tackle first? Drop it in the comments, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on building a satisfying career. Remember, job searching isn't about avoiding awkward moments. It's about pushing through them. With each connection, you're one step closer to a career that you love. So go ahead, send that LinkedIn message, even if it feels a little like parallel parking in front of a crowd.